This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Amen.
Amen. Hello, everyone. This is Just This 2411, and today we're going to be touring a 3-bedroom villa at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So sit back and enjoy the ride.
Here we have the second floor entry. On this level, we have 2 of the 3 bedrooms. We're going to go to the right, where the first bedroom has 2 full-size beds. In between those beds, there's a nightstand with a telephone, and in the room, there's plenty of lighting. Also in the room, we have pictures of Mickey and Minnie, along with plush pillows on the bed. As you can see, the bedroom also has a balcony that overlooks the Contemporary Resort. There are blackout curtains for those late morning risers, a table and chair, and also a privacy curtain for the window that overlooks the living room. Across from the bed is a dresser with 4 drawers and a TV. There's also 3 hidden shelves. And the drawers are nice and spacious.
To the left of the bedroom is a bathroom. When you enter, you are met with a wooden frame mirror that sits above the sink. To the left again is a shower tub combo with a curtain and colorful towels. It has a normal shower head with adjustable setting, accessibility bar, bath mat, and toiletries. A clothesline to hang wet clothes. Plenty of towels and washcloths throughout the bathroom, with a granite countertop and a lower wooden cabinet with tissues and toiletries. To the right is the toilet area that has a sliding door for privacy. There's a trash can, toilet paper, a shelf with towels, hand towels, and washcloths. Across from it are clothing hooks. After leaving the bathroom, on the left is a full closet. It includes a luggage rack, hangers, a shelf for storage, an extra pillow, and blanket.
As we leave the bedroom area, which is like a suite within a suite, we are heading to the right where we have a loft space. In this area, we have a sofa, an ottoman, a half-glass wall that overlooks the main living area.
Here's the window that looks into the first bedroom that we just visited. Here's a lamp for light reading. Here's some artwork.
Across from the sofa is a TV with a quaint entertainment stand. This glass and wooden area is the staircase. As we turn to the right, we're entering the second suite within a suite.
as the first bedroom. Here we have a TV that sits on the dresser. The dresser has shelves with plenty of storage space. This room has a desk instead of a regular table, phone, plenty of plug-ins, a chair, and a mirror above the desk. On this balcony, there's 2 chairs and a table to watch the sunset overlooking the lake and the contemporary property. There are 2 full-size beds. A picture above each bed showcasing Mickey and Minnie. A nightstand with a phone in the middle. Plenty of lighting. Before we head into the bathroom, here is a closet with double doors that open outward with the light inside. In the closet, there's a luggage rack with plenty of storage space to store luggage. It has a shelf and hangers.
As we head into the second bathroom, you'll notice it's the same layout as the previous bathroom. As we make our way downstairs, here's the living room. There is a console table behind the sofa with a nice lamp and telephone on it. There's a lovely area rug, a TV with an entertainment system.
To the left of the TV is a love seat, and to the right are 2 chairs with a table in the middle with a lamp on it to give plenty of lighting.
Here are 2-story windows that look out on the rest of Disney's Contemporary Resort and Seven Seas Lagoon.
The view is amazing with these 2-story windows, especially at sunset. To the left of the windows is a door that leads out to the balcony that's connected to the master bedroom. Let's make our way to the master bedroom.
Here's the master bedroom. It has a king-size bed, a TV which sits on top of the dresser. Above the bed is more artwork. There's a desk with a phone, a chair, plenty of outlets, and a mirror. Here's the balcony with 2 chairs and a table to enjoy the view from the master suite. There's a door from the balcony that connects to the living room. Here's another chair with a nightstand right beside the bed. On the other side of the bed is a nightstand with a phone on it. Plenty of lighting throughout the room. There is a divider between the bedroom and bathroom. From this side, you can see far into the bathroom. From the other side, you can enjoy the outside view while taking a bath.
Here is the bathroom in the master suite. It has a vanity with a sink, granite countertop, hand towel, toiletries, and a mirror. Artwork. A soaking tub with jets, toiletries, and bath mat. A TV to watch while relaxing in the tub or on the toilet. Plenty of towels. More artwork. Here's a toilet tucked in the corner. There's a trash can, a hook, and a shelf filled with towels, hand towels, and washcloths. A phone and toilet paper. Across from the toilet is the shower. It has a rainfall shower head along with a slight adjustable shower head on the wall. There's also seating in the shower along with more toiletries. Coming out of the master bedroom, we are greeted with a picture of Mickey Mouse. Near the front door is another closet that's similar to the other closets throughout the villa. Across from the closet down the hall on the left-hand side is the laundry room. Plenty of shelf space, cabinets and drawers to store clothes and laundry products, counters to fold clothes on. A stackable washer and dryer. And a laundry basket. But wait, there's more. Right behind this door is an iron and ironing board to press your clothes, along with hooks as well. Next to the laundry room at the end of the hall is the guest bathroom. It has a toilet paper, trash can, granite countertop sink, the tissues and toiletries, a lovely mirror, a shelf, plenty of towels, hand towels, and washcloths throughout the bathroom, a shower tub combo with curtain, just like the two bathrooms upstairs, and more toiletries. Across from the living room is the dining room, with a long table that seats up to 8 people and more seating against the wall. This is a full kitchen with a toaster, an oven, stovetop, microwave, plenty of cabinets, paper towel, a sink, granite countertop, coffee maker, and outlets, a refrigerator, freezer, and more cabinets. A lovely balcony right off the kitchen. It has 2 chairs and a table in the middle with a stunning view of the sunset. Here's another look at the kitchen. It also comes with an island and an ice bucket. Well, there you have it. A complete tour of a 3-bedroom grand villa, preferred view, at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite part about this villa. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified when new videos are out.